Good day everyone, wherever you are. Today we want to simplify this initial question. This is indices, questions on indices, and this is one of the difficult ones. Today we want to simplify it. So we have this question like this: 5x equals 40x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. So what is the first step? You can see this. Now so looking at this, what do we do next? You can see that this is same as this and this are same 8 times x to the power of negative 1 over 2. So in the laws of indices, in our next video we are going to look at the laws of indices, but I'll bring in this law here that says when you invert it, the minus sign goes away. You are now left with the x raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing and this is the same thing. So 8 multiplies 1. We now have 8 over x 1 over 2. So we do cross multiply. X goes to x. So in the laws of indices, when you have the same basis, then that means the powers are going to be added. So we have 1 plus, you take one base and then add the powers. So x is the same as x raised to the power of 1. So this is a fraction. We add them. When you add them up, you are going to be left with 3 over 2. So according to the law of indices, which says that when you multiply the power, when the power of a term is a fraction, when you multiply it with the opposite of the fraction, it will be gone. So looking at this, it is an equation. So whatever you do to this side, you will do it to this side. So you have 2 over 3. So this cancels out. Looking at this, it's like this: 3 times 2, 6, 2 times 3, 6. So 6 over 6 is 1, so it is gone. So according to the laws of indices, you can say that x equals so we have 2. The total root of 8 is 2, so x is equals to 4. We can also do a cross check. Let's do a cross check on this. So in the question we have 5x equals 40 x minus 1 over 2. Let's replace x with this. Let's see if they are equal. So 5 times 4. So x is 4 equals 40 times 4 raised to 4 minus 1 over 2. 40 times, we have this as 4 raised to the power 4 squared. 20. So going down here we have 40 over. No, you have 1 over 2. So 40 over square root of 4. So we have 20 equals 40 over 2. So 20 equals 20. Our answer is correct. So study it very well. I hope you understand it. Thank you.